Okay, as I go through your worksheets, I see many having problems doing this question, right? This question. Um, the problem lies where you do not know how to draw, right? You can't draw the blocks in the same alignment. Let me show you how. Right. First of all, I would attempt to draw this block. Right. I would attempt to draw this block first. Same thing. I will start this. Right. Start with this. Right. I draw one block. Make sure your vertical lines are vertical, right? I still have a lot of people doing this vertical line, not vertical. Now, make sure this line goes up like that. I people giving me this line like that and then do like that. Now that's not what I want, right? That's not what I want. You need another face down here. So this line must go out, right? Right. Most of you are able to draw this, but there remain some that are unable to draw a same simple rectangular block like that, right? Simple rectangular block. So after you have drawn this, we want to draw the two holes down here. So how do we draw? All right, see, simple one, right? Draw one hole, draw two hole. Now you want to tell people that this is threaded, right? Threaded holes, right? All you need to do is do this, right? One, two, right? Look at the orientation. The orientation is this way, so your curve must be this one. Right, like that. Now how do you draw this second block? In order for people to see this too, I will bring this block a little bit to the front. Now I will align it this way. I extend this line, draw some projection line to the front like that. Alright, then I will start drawing. Okay, the side will be here. Okay, the side will be here, so the front, right, this line will be here. This line down here represent this line, right? So that I will not block the two holes. Now make sure this line is parallel to this line same length as this, roughly there, right? So now I have the block in front. Now then how do I draw the holes? The holes must align to this hole. You cannot have one hole below and then one hole on top down here, then they are not aligned. Now move this right roughly so that you know where your hole is supposed to be. It's supposed to be here, right? So should it be here? Should it be here? No. Roughly so high, right? This height. So roughly this height, I move over. So the hole is supposed to be here, right? Align down here, roughly lah. Align your hole. You may use a ruler to guide you, right? Use a ruler to guide you, right? Your hole supposed to be here. Now, you want to show people that this one is a true hole. This one is a true hole. Now, if you draw this one very thick, if this is too thick, what you can tell people is, right, draw arrow and say true hole. This one is threaded hole, right? Now then you want to draw the screw. Some of you draw the screw in this manner. Right, you draw the screw this manner. How the screw don't fit in like that, right? So it's not correct. Now some of you draw your screw down here. Down here. You draw your screw down here. The screw doesn't fit into the hole. So for people to see that your screw fit into the hole, right, extend this thing a little bit out. Then you draw your screw like that. Right, draw your screw like that. Like that. Then you draw a line. Just draw across here, look like a screw, right? Something that look like a screw. Now, you want this to be a cap screw, right? Cap screw. So leave a little bit, don't thread. Then you thread here, right? Draw a few threads. And then, of course, to make it clear, you say this is cap screw. Right? Same thing down here. Right? Draw. draw a curve, one line. Now this one, the orientation must be in this direction, right? A little bit, right? Then you thread 1, 2, 3, leave a little bit empty, right? So that it's clear that this one is a cap screw. Now practice more, right? Practice sketching a little bit more on this type of basic geometric shape. Now I have people drawing this type of shape like that. Now it looks a little bit weird because of the orientation, right? This is almost in line with this. This line cannot be in line with this, right? This line which is the thickness, right? You want to draw. Now the thickness cannot be this way. No, draw the thickness this way, right? The thickness, since you do it in this direction, right? Down here you must go in the same direction. Now unless you are not drawing a rectangular block, your thickness down here must also be like that in this direction. Now I have some people, the thickness they draw like that. Now so what is supposed to be a rectangular block now look like this, right? So this is no longer a rectangular block. This is no longer a rectangular block. Now same thing, or 2D to 3D, if you are drawing a 2D to 3D for heart shape, right? Heart shape. Now decide which side you want the thickness to be, right? If you want the thickness to go this direction, then basically in every point you extend in that direction, right? Extend in this direction and comes down. You cannot, let me finish this first, right? It is not logical for you. It will not be logical for you. You have a heart shape out here, right? Then you decide the thickness you want to extend this way, and then this side you extend this way. Unless, right? Unless you are doing a heart shape that is, I don't know, behind is wider than the front. Alright, behind is wider than the front. So always be very careful how you extend, which way you extend your thickness. Alright.